Did you know high blood pressure, or hypertension, silently damages your organs? It's a serious, often symptomless, threat. Let's quickly uncover how this silent killer relentlessly attacks your body's vital systems. Your heart works overtime. Hypertension forces it to pump harder, thickening its muscle. This constant strain weakens the heart, leading to failure and increased heart attack risk over time. Next, kidneys and brain. High pressure damages their delicate blood vessels. This impairs kidney function, causing disease, and in the brain, significantly raises stroke risk. Eyes and arteries suffer too. Hypertension harms tiny retinal blood vessels, impairing vision. It also hardens arteries, restricting crucial blood flow throughout the body. Uncontrolled hypertension truly devastates multiple organs. Regular monitoring and management are absolutely essential for your long-term health. Like this video, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more essential health insights.